Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazuric visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, kind of a chilly start to an early Thursday morning.
Yeah, Joe, we've got northerly winds in here that are pretty light, but it's affecting some cold air in to start the morning. That high pressure is setting over us. And we got temperatures that are actually in the 30s out in Colorado. We've got the coldest reading, 34 out there in Lyman, 39 when you get to Burlington, 37 in Ray. You get to the state line, Goodland, it switches over to 40. You get on Highway 25, and we got 43 here in Atwood. You get down into Oakley, we got 48, 39 in McCook, and 45 in Oberlin. The winds, like I said, are variable, north direction, kind of underneath that high pressure, 5 miles per hour. And as we go through the day, what we're going to see ridging build over the Rockies. So as that ridge builds and moves eastward over us tomorrow, that's going to push the temperatures up and turn the winds to a southerly direction. So this afternoon, we'll see south-southeasterly winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Then tomorrow, they pick up to 15 to 25, gusting to 35. And what that's going to do is start pulling some moisture into the area underneath this upper-level ridge. Temperatures today will top out in the middle to upper 70s. That moisture will start coming into place overnight with a low in the upper 40s around 50. Could see some fog development, some rain showers are possibly developing, and maybe even a rumble of thunder as that piece of energy works underneath this ridge into tomorrow morning. And again, that would be scattered and light. Then looking at tomorrow afternoon, as we start to see that moisture continue to affect in the area, temperatures get warmer, up there around 80 degrees. A dry line starts to form with that southeasterly flow, and a low pressure develops out over eastern Colorado. At the same time, a trough is out west and de-amplifying that ridge. So we're in a moderate to severe weather risk for tomorrow afternoon, evening with that set up. We could see some showers and storms develop that become supercell type cells that will mostly have large hail. We could see golf ball type size hail, wind gusts up there 70 miles per hour. And then, that activity late tomorrow afternoon and evening in that peak heating of the day. Tomorrow night, that'll pull a cold front through, and then we'll go into Saturday. We'll start seeing cooler temperatures. We'll be down in the 60s for highs. That ridge keeps flattening. Energy keeps coming over the Rockies with that low pressure that'll eventually cut off and slowly move through in the weekend. And what that will do is we'll have shower and thunderstorm chances again Saturday afternoon, evening. There's a marginal threat for severe weather across the area. One or two of those could have some a warning on them, pop up some hail, inch in diameter, those wind gusts to 60 mile an hour. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s. Low temperatures will gradually be dropping into the middle 40s. As we get to Sunday, Monday, the main upper level low will come over the area. Scattered showers and even isolated thunderstorms are possible both days, particularly Sunday night into Monday morning or Memorial Day morning. We got colder temperatures as that cooler air keeps getting drawn into the system. We'll go highs in the upper 50s there on Sunday. Low 60s on Memorial Day. Rain in the forecast. Overnight lows will stay in those middle 40s. That low is forecasted to move into the Midwest Memorial Day night. Into Tuesday, we should start to see some clearing then. And on Tuesday will probably be a nice day with temperatures rebounding back into the 70s, those lows going back into the 40s. And then looking longer term, it does look like we could see storm chances again by the end of the week. Temperatures back to closer to normal in the 70s, going into the low 80s as we head into the end of the month and heading into the 1st of June. Rain looks like it could keep coming. The 5-day rain totals with this system starting tonight through Tuesday morning do look like we could get a decent 1 to 2 inch type amounts across the board. So that is something we're waiting for. We've been talking about it, but maybe this will be the time we actually get it. We got east-southeasterly winds pretty much through the entire period, or east. That's a good indication of upslope direction, zonal flow. Moisture should be increased in the atmosphere. We just got to squeeze it out.
All right. Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel here on KYVZ Radio. I'm Joe Vazuric.